Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie, keeper of my home, and we're in the entryway. Just wait until you see what it looks like. This is the entryway, and as you can see, it doesn't look too bad, but as we look around, I don't know if you can see that rug is a mess. We have a gravel driveway, so whenever anyone comes in, everything comes in with them. The floor is a mess. We have our dog's bed that needs to be put away, but I think I'm going to give it away since we don't have our dog anymore. This end of the entryway, not bad, but as we look around, yeah. This is my reality here. I believe there's 8 totes here together. They're filled with all kinds of things that were ours or our children's when they were younger. These were in a back closet put away. We thought when we moved out of our old house, we thought we took everything. Evidently, we did not. You can see in here, our son lives in our old house, so he was digging through one of the back closets and found some things. A lot of the totes were his, but as he went deeper through, he found a lot of our stuff. So I need to go through these, but first and foremost, I just need to get them out of the entryway. That's my biggest issue. I mean, oh my gosh, that is full of books and VCR tapes, and I mean, it's just old stuff. I need to get them in the basement. I think that's going to be my easiest bet. So we can go through them down there, and I can clean this entryway because my anxiety level. I can't take this. When people walk in, this is what they're going to see. And again, another jacket of my husband's that, you know, it's just easier to throw it on a hook or lay it on the rail than it is to hang it in the closet. So I need to get these down to the basement and vacuum badly. I need to vacuum. So let's get started. Show you some things that are in here. I don't even know what all's in here. Battleship. I don't even think, it's not the whole game, it's just a piece of it. Papers, old papers and things. Old magazines. An album that was my husband's. He just keeps all the old ticket stubs to the different concerts that he's been to way back when, like way back like before us, and pictures and things, and yeah, letters and albums. He's got albums, an Eagles album, and let's see what this is, REO Speedwagon. Yeah, just a lot of old stuff. There's more in here. There's so much stuff. And then in this one, we have a ball cap. I used to work for Hershey's Chocolate, delivering candy to the different stores and refilling their racks and stuff. And these were just upsells to you know, prizes for upsells. So this is a brand new basketball. Yeah, that's what they look like before they're blown up. Yeah. And Crayola tin. Still brand new. I don't I don't know why I hung on to that. Another one, collector colors. And there's the collector colors. I don't know why I hung on to all this stuff, but I did. For Fish and Game from way back when, and what's this? It's an advent calendar. Isn't that sweet? Never used. I will have to dig that out for the kids. That is adorable. That was the last one. And I am so glad because I feel like a wash of sweat. Okay. Now let's get to the floor. I start vacuuming, I am going to put my lunch in the oven. I'm not a pizza person, but this is a pizza I absolutely love. Everything in it is extremely healthy for you, and that is the kind of food that I love to eat. So if you've never tried one of these before and you see one in your grocery store, you should try it because it's delicious. So I'm going to put this in the oven, set the timer, and then get done as much as I can do before the timer goes off. Do you still have Thanksgiving decorations, fall decorations up? Or have you already started doing your holiday decorating? I try really, really hard to stick with the fall through till Thanksgiving, but it's so hard because I really want to do some holiday decorating like yesterday. But I'm gonna stretch it a little bit further and see how much longer I can hold off. The one good thing for us is that our son hosts Thanksgiving dinner, so we don't have it at our home. Maybe nobody would notice if I did start putting up my holiday stuff. Always in love. you can see it is all clean now. Everything is picked up. The floor is done. I still have a cooler back there that needs to go into the back of our vehicle. It's tucked in that corner, so out of sight, out of mind kind of thing. But the floor is vacuumed. I'm not going to scrub it. It's Halloween. It's just going to get some tracking tonight, so I'll wait until another day. Okay, so like I said, that is finished. I am so pleased that that is done. That was a big weight off of me, but I still have a few more things that I need to get done. My husband is going in for surgery tomorrow for carpal tunnel. So I'm going to spend a few days just babying him. So I don't want to have anything else on my list to do. I'm just going to dote on him. So I'm trying to get everything done today. Let me go show you how I'm doing with the recliner situation. Okay, so this is the bathroom. You know, all things in time, right? There's one recliner out, one recliner remaining. I don't know. It might be there a while. Not sure. Not the best location for it, I know. I mean, it's kind of weird, really. But it is what it is. Until I figure it out, it's going to stay here. Okay. So as we pan around the room, yep, that's where the other recliner got put. That's not the most ideal situation either. But it is what it is. I don't know. I kind of want to sell them. But I don't know if I can get my husband on board. I mean, he'd just let him sit here and say, well, I don't know, I'm not sure yet, and think about it. And yeah, I can make a quicker decision. I just really want to sell them. But for right now, that one is going to sit there, and that one is going to sit there. And now we are in the master closet. And if you remember, I had flooring in the entryway. Well, it got put in here when Country Sampler came, and it hasn't been removed. Oh my goodness, I need to get that out of here. I don't want it in here. I can't put it in the basement. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but this is the weirdest place for it right now. I don't know. And yeah, it's really kind of a mess because these are my sweaters that I'm going through because I'm switching over to fall winter. So I'm taking out my summer stuff and putting in my winter stuff. So I did bring that bucket of sweaters up here. And this is the elliptical that is going to go upstairs. I just need someone to help me bringing it up there. And I think on this wall, I could put the flooring, just move it over there, use it for a bench. That would be a good idea, actually, but I'm not. I could just mirror what I did over here and put shelving over on that wall. I don't know, because I do need a place for shoes, so shelving would be good. Dilemmas, I don't know, but I'm going to leave it for another day because the timer on the oven just went off, so that means lunch is ready. So I'm going to eat lunch since it's already almost 2 o'clock. So I just want to thank you for joining me. It was quick today, just really quick. I have a lot of other things that I need to do as well. Then I'm going to take a few days to just baby my husband. So if you haven't subscribed and you're new, subscribe below. And if you liked this video, leave me a thumbs up. And until next time.